Hello and welcome to our lecture on ABBYY FlexiLayout Studio. So let's get started. So as you guys can see, as soon as I open my Layout Studio, I am offered with two choices, either to open an existing project or create a new one. So as soon as I click here, I can enter a name of my choice. Let's say first project, and it will be saved in this location. Let's click OK, and then it takes me to this properties dialog box. So on this window, you can see that first thing I have is a choice of my language. So my document or any invoice, any kind of document, if you know that it will be coming in English language, you can keep it as it is, or you can go here and check any of the languages of your choice. So let's say my invoice can be in Czech market language also, or in French, or in Indonesian or Italian. Just click here as OK, and ABBYY will take care of it. The next part is like the pre-recognition properties, is whether your document is an output of a printer, matrix printer, or a typewriter. You can select this as well. And lastly, how many pages will it going to be have? So in my case, there's only a single page, but if you have more than one pages, then I'll suggest you to keep the number of pages as INF. If you are not sure how many pages can it be, like this appears in those conditions where you have an invoice, and invoice generally contains like pages with multiple tables. So there, keeping INF is a better option. So let's click OK. And what all like type of inputs we can work on is just simply go to help, tutorial, and right here in the search box, supported image formats, and click list topics, and you will have here. So you can see you can work on BMP files, TIFF files, even image as JPEG files, PNG files, PDFs, XPS files. On all these type of documents you can work in ABBYY. So it's a great tool to work on. And lastly, I'll show you how to get images into it. Images are like the documents. Just click on add image. It will take you to your folder. Simply go to, like, let's just go to this image, invoices underscore EGD, ENG, click open, and it will load all the pages one by one here. So as you guys can see that it's loading the pages as well as it's recognizing them. So you can see that pre-recognizing 15 out of 18 pages, and here it is. You can double click any of it and you can see, let me just zoom it for you, that how the invoices are. So that's all for this. Thanks everyone.